You know how your eyes feel when you've been staring at a TV for too long? Yeah, that. So why not look for better? Hisense Laser TVs reflect the image, which makes them easy on the eyes. To prove this, we are attempting to set a Guinness World Records title for the largest staring competition right here at Blue Water. And guess who everyone's staring at? That's right, it's me. All these contenders are seeing how long they can stare at my face on a Hisense Laser TV without blinking, and they could win one in the process. Let's see how they're getting on. "16 seconds, bit of a letdown, really.
Some people have managed 16 minutes.
This is ridiculous. 16 and a half minutes.
Yes,
How'd it feel?
top of the world.
What was the secret technique? Was it the dancing?
I think so.
Thank you for attending the largest staring competition. We have a final result. A new Guinness World Records title.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, you're officially amazing.
Well done, everyone. That is the Hisense Laser TV Championships completed.